the prophet Kofi Oduro, the nation prophet Opambour, prophet 1, only Sadiq Adams, spouse Obama, and together with Captain Kojo Smart, have reacted to the Ayawasu East constituency bonanza. Bonanza, of course, so Baba Jamal bonanza, no. Ni buffet, no. Ebuza, Omo Abeka was now face no OSP, Kisia Jabe, Wabambi. Now OSP Ebemuno, OSP Aquachi NPP Abemubi. I'm a mouth 4 and 10 and 7 I see. Now, let me bossy. Ebi so. I'm what I see. I know what you're watching. I'm a me. Ewa comment section. How you Penyah block media. Mess what I say need him. Obe like video no that one subscribe button number click notification icon latest update number to the wide and mama ewa comment section so baso no check for any be. So it was on Saturday 7th February 2026 and NDC for to be precise the Ayawasu East constituency Omuko primaries as the Omuko parliamentary candidate as the Akonyami Adma 3rd March by election ebekoswo between NDC and NPP no na Omu akope candidates or represented the NDC for that purpose because Omu sitting MP Honorable Muhammad Ture Sebi wato ananum said 4th January ana owuye ama Sebi yakope the crab breba dada crab. Now you know promise it was more or less as a bonanza. A buffet, just a easy. Any young kuto who got to where we are. NDC internal premise, not any bonanza. Check, Kusiani Meko, check pad, check 32 inches, TV set. Check a more near one, a more back. Check Kivo Gary in box. Just anybody and chibi, and to my poor in a chibi, motorbike, Ukada, chair. Hunimunyi nyina yechebu ohodom oh that no mucha niam mucha mo mucha niam ame was after election Baba Jamal and a really na right after election an allegation pop up on the internet there be ade course on egu NDC party ni mwase edukwansi ma an NDC penifo e de krata ba bontene as a 50 via be quality our general secretary no or the krata ba our chirem say oh ade na course on the omu condemn as omu condemn na omu I instigate investigation into this issue. Na a bubo wa be bu abo for vote buying be the betwan so. The betwan so. Later, and it was a cut off for a free office of the presidency about Montana. As I don't buy na Baba Jamal ni dibre ko Baba Jamal or Ghana's High Commissioner to Nigeria. Ni dibre no. Mahama I Jeffrey ninsem. O wasake no. First appointee e wo Jema wembo mu a yasake no Baba Jamal pia what's Emma cut off for free. Parliament ebaye. A parliament say majority that mu say I because of ADC election ebaye no Oma council no. There's a need for rerun but date it means Oma council election no. I say you better continue for. Emma letters no Baba Jamal the cut about bontene ebekasa and I say all them Hamas here but I say all them Hamas say at least or buy a crown at least with me counting kind one hinium the position as Ghana's High Commissioner just that or no now to name ye Anna Asher no it is Sebi or Dama Hamas any other day as da delegate na say omo toma no as or no any party no parliamentary candidate na nyame adma ye 3rd March on NPP ni no emfa nkosie ni ewo eho no mo na ewusia ebaye no on say do ye unity ba na ebi mu chese da bi enye enough was asɛm no etimi kɔ OSP nsɛm na ye investigation ni ebusa omunya sika ne wo hene omode because recently ana MP for kra ye omu presidential primaries ye hu bibi kase bi kura say we internal just parliamentary candidate keke no let's say mucha hene na mo presidential and this for presidential primaries e dey be see that people were calling for OSP say omlem na say OSP abem eti enra na ye 8 February 2026 ana OSP ede krata 10 kise daben eba bontene na weni tremu a ode bae the office of the special prosecutor OSP has commenced investigation in respect of the new patriotic party presidential primaries conducted on 31st January 2026. Let's OSP tremu a OSP has started investigation into or starting with NPP for Omu premise omu call no 31st January 20, that is 2 weeks back to that Saturday na twem no 2 weeks back Saturday premise na omu eye no we which say investigation ewo investigation ewo because obeka ya during voting though who bibi ama video mu say ye chesika na ye bosika tuo said aye waso is a happy ye no. I say bibi asa ma ye hede hu bibi asa ade a ye hu ya me metime di ho dance ya ne say mete say woman bi ka say brand champion e discover by say enche ba say nipa akupe bi say o treska no so nipa akubi e pe so tena so ni say brand champion enya onfa sobo no enkomo da nipa kro
me fi friend say nkran ha ya batme waka so a brand ho donti ana ka me ba beto aba no but de da brand at akoma so a so de be ma ye no ne campaign team for no mudi na nim no o ma disika no e champion e no poku ye me kasa me zone 20 na ebu 29 e na enya ye ya akakra ye say be ka be ni ba be 35 ye nsan ka ye sika enti ye zone 24 de aba no still a egusu jira ha ye nto aba no enti e ka kire honorable brand champion say wanya aba na ye ne campaign team for no e na ama na enya sa enti si ai ko oti enka baby an nkrofo no bi on fro enya sa ye zone 24 aba na ye say ye because ye nsan ka ye sika ye nuanom bi nsa keka o sika sika ne 700 obi a de aba brand pe e de na e maaye ne de na 700 ne de na 700 me ye fra me shanka
but yanshi da hu bonanza bi say money bouquet bi say ye chesika bosika tuo de ye hu bi sa but always be say oh there be ye na hu do hu ye I say but na watchwe ni afi no OSP be kan NPP yourself but the yake kare krata the yake kare chire what I say on 7th February 2026 the OSP commenced real-time investigation in respect of the National Democratic Congress parliamentary primaries at the Ayawaso East constituency. Yes, was that chirem say I Saturday na twam no NDC formula election course no oh was starting real-time investigation to idea a see honomo. The investigations focus on allegations of vote buying, vote selling, and the sources of funding of the alleged corrupt acts. That's an investigation all you know. Did kai allegation of vote buying because ba say ebimu to vote, ebimu to vote, and after no vote selling, ebimu turning omu vote, any ade, and after no baby candidate no omu nyesi where them see money to do all these things. Jama bonanza omu nyesi go hemba. Because Baba Jamal spend almost 6 million Ghana cedis. Me was say obeye MP kura a year ye fa 1 year wa ketua kura no 1 million Ghana cedis kura me can say bedru because 15,000 cedis a month na 15,000 cedis a month kura na times a where net me can net 15,000 cedis times 12 180,000 times 4 720,000 cedis minya kwa say bedru enuru 1 million Ghana cedis just 7.2 billion fixed on touch we are fixed net salary. I just wonder Baba Jamal boy where them see this money to do this. Always feature investigation about to afa honomo. During the conduct of the NDC parliamentary primaries at the Ayawaso East constituency on 7th February 2026, one of the candidates, Mohammed Baba Jamal Ahmed, allegedly abetted tax to physically attack an officer of the OSP who was serving an investigative directive on him in relation to vote buying and vote selling. Now say OSP na ni nipa ewa grounds. But Baba Jamal who you say akwa we de o na no hu nwi na boge stand na ase ofri OSP aso ye no o hyeda ebo enipa bi pa ese mu nko attack no what say eti eno nyina no OSP investigation no cover ni nyina eka ho bi. Consequently, the OSP has opened further investigation into the assault of an authorized officer of the OSP in the performance of his functions in relation to Mohammed Baba Jamal Ahmed. The OSP reminds the public that the law prohibits corrupt acts in relation to public elections. It is a serious offense to engage in vote buying, vote selling, intimidation, threat of violence, and acts of violence in relation to elections. Letter dated 8th February 2020. That's the OSP Chiremwa was starting investigation into election malpractice course. Now, the investigation was starting for NPP primaries. I don't get it. NPP are two about now. And this NDC election. I don't get it. Nanka. me mintiasie I say but yenya OSP no nyina adwuma wo lawyer panyini yenya lawyer panyini na onye na adwuma onimo de wasua mra ye pentem mu aten Crown House no expiring tie bia do no hu na MPP tam na fe na e bia wo investigation enya concrete evidence or they be investigation to no normal to OSP just say wakotwe na kufu wakotwe ba omi akene Japan ne branch mu nyina ba mu NDC asem we mu wakotwe mu nyina ba mu bi as investigation wo ye na ekoba mu nyina na ade Baba Jamal eye nda day no eno comedian no so a so panyini Kofi Oduro Opambour ene omo maka Captain Smart mo abe blast Baba Jamal na we ni nsem a omo ka.
A little video yesterday, my heart bled, of a young man speaking after sharing televisions to people for vote. And then his comments is, every year I put 2 million aside and I give it as gifts. Where did you get the 2 million from? What do you do? Let you stay. Let God allow you, that voice, to stay in opposition for 12 years. And let's see if you can produce a kobo. So where did you get the 2 million from? The Holy Ghost is restraining people, but they don't. German will be paid big price. I did a survey on Nigerian politicians. God, I'm telling you, with the 2 million tour, and we want to know. Does GRA know that you produce 2 million Ghana cedis and have you paid taxes on it for this nation? The impunity of politicians talking nonsense to citizenry because they gave you privilege and opportunities. They give you a place to sleep. They pay you. They give you appointments. They pay per diem. And you spit in their face like this. You put down 2 million. Where did you get that? Where do you need 2 million? Or 6 million? Or 10 million? 100 million? God is still the judge. I'm talking to you.
You can't say, and want to know. The Yaka Yajumatin. Matisi, Mama, Obidibre, what dear Prince Amasa, a moon 70 a day. Halibra Akaton Dari Alama. So, Obia, man, a Sunday Mikawa. So, Pianger, when you Jumatin, Famua Bino. Mobia, Bibia, Coquasa, Bia, Dian, Guasene Bibiba. We are sa. See you, Racho or someone. Yen and by our Jane. You cry your way, back at Reno. Yes. Send your bay a babwa more minor of party in Benjamin Munyam. Atina, a fan, and to my panny, a frada. When I'm into my panel, a Friday, and what the Yaba power. It will Yamadi Yabano. Yam will be fun to my fee. I'm a teaching to my papano. In the name of Jesus. Yes, only my 7. Be a walk and a credit. Very good, uncle.
Oluma Pacho Wadaroma. I was so east. MP Pacho or a Cremoni. Nancy will free. The Pacho free mono. NDC 4 years on by a primaries. And right. Let's know Pacho to be the share so. MP Nere would do all with the Pacho Nere. Any Nipa Bako, Baba Jamal, and a Bako Kaho. 18 Pacho, about no Cosono. And a Panani who said, MP Nipa Bako, Jina, Eka Homo Pabano, the Pacho, what shall I say, TVs, 32 inches TVs, a delegates. Oh, Monama, about social media also. Oluma Patona, dear Baba Chikrama Mama Tuabano. Yes, so Sanchez motos. Delegates, no. It's in about social media also. Moto, any TVs.
Sir,
Oluma Patona.
Edman delegate.
Delegates no Pacho.
Sir, or MP position in tea.
Nano no cry a promise, Baba contest with the Pacho, MPP Nino. The Pacho to any NDC for and a Pacho watches Anoman. The Pacho Sani Pano Society ambassador to Nigeria. eti pacho ebeto oja sa na omoto aba ni wiye na ebeto oja na empanifo this empanifo general secretary di candle letter ebeto oja say ensem na ba beto oja no omo ba be yemu nsujwemu ekwan afa so wonya sa sika na sa no ma na wo to chen efa so bia nusu so waye sa no ma no
Jesus
cause ya to about promise yi kwa na wo che sa no ma idia ano den eti enumre pa na so na office of the presidency eso release letter ese ni dipra wodi as ambassador to Nigeria no but wa Jeffrey Ninsem
very good
for the moment no wa Jeffrey Ninsem
very good
what say NDC empany for so mo ye nhwemu nte no so
omo ye nhwemu afa ba bi nye sika ni free he e je che sa no
but to mo o chen nhwemu na empany for ye no what me fa empany for na ni mu nya for o chen omo so we are ansana do obi o pese o ye ni bi obeye
but they said when ambassador to Nigeria
be waje wakache pacho honorable okuja to say onye ni dibre ni free ni
so waje free ni say
for now
very good otofo
onyankopodifo
and last week you can how
yes sir
me so obi a obeya yi bia no
me pacha
wasemba
yes yebeka
juma di be di ha no owura be wo ohwa onya moto ni TV no
awodifo that is Canada prophet. Now,
sika on fanye bibi na ode we na na
an wodi di sanko asem sam a present aye ade nyame hira wo we na kire say prophet aban papa na aba no won so de ono wane nkofo yes
emitram ka say can your friends oforiata
yes
can oforiata NPP for so me demonstration against him no oba no yes send omo ne nya adwen yeru na do wo yi di anka release letter samasa me nam di position ma bra be okunta tra Ghana for
ebi na yura mama aye abranti echiche TV 32 inches no wo say chemotos no ehele fa na nya skari free here ene wadwuma o ye no fato wo say wo chade yen kosua no makoka ho ene mu hwehwem yo kosua no makoka ho prophet here
sabi ya wona ba bia wo hwe ye bia awurade hira ho
edi papa president onyame
ni sofo yeta president echi setie bia yeta na chi anya de yebesesa ya adwen me ba bia me wona wana me wo enti wo be chema de ana de be chemi sai o yam pipi na de be chemi e wo wudim se ne ye ne yewura koka o ye bi no o be chema de o be chemu ni dimu Mr. Koka radi shao e wo fi chema de nya ne MPP friad ko nya su nyina wo sa chema de me da wase radi shao politicians all Ghana all me chama de di muntinti man pa me da wase bebre awurade hirawo na na kwasi wo be che me niam bebrebe na ntwie nyina kan NDC fo na wotwe dane aye na duru so unye na dwe sei enti ba bia so fo enum de do so enti wo hwe ye bia awurade hirawo
nipa e ba na nya nipa koto abdifo
yeah
because if you for very bad anga be sama
enti awurade hira nipa bia hwe samre awurade hira sanete MP na we say wa MP na wo che moto ni TV no wonya ska no masa mo obi ankofa sem bia nungwa sensem bia ma wo obi ankofa sem ni nungwa sensem bia ma
yes
tedi aka choni e ene sa wo dia won wi yiri kwantimi na wo enso beti wasom wa ha no mo sofo mo dia hwehwe mo nsem no yie na mo famra ye wa asutre ya na aka yimi so ti ase sofo but asutre ya na aka yimi se nyina ya tibie
yes sir
bo modia na hwehwe me wate from what ne pam wa ye papa bra enti ewura president so fa ni dibra ne nto eno ano me ne ya hwe so ne ya hwe
ababa ko na nka prophet guso o ye na dwuma
hwe sabo odi antisa o
dabi
wedi antisa
president nyame hira no
wedi antisa antisa
o certify ye no de aba
yes fie ye na tell so wa abonti so hwe ye enti president ye no ya hwe God bless you yes we said yeah it is sanity
oluma wadaruma president Radina Mosu yi ni ba Ghana a obedi man Penyah no the code of conduct akwanya we a public officer I was offer so your normal nyina o de amamo etu onim dada e wo so wo your normal yi pacho ba kokora ko chase ka wa bonte kra ka no wo kire no
tisofo
odifo
eno satam na code of conduct nkwanya mai so what you say sofo and the year can say papa you were for so too much also nyabotere papa ba wa hye won munyam Obi Dibre Wunyan. What do I show when you Yamma Dibre? One may and Piana Eden. Trawai. No be Sunyan. Come up, I can't come with your money here. Not now. Ah, now Eden.
NDC for the most supported this rubbish. Munda Jimino. So we are ambassador. Now, per se, who call you Bibi Fufra? As I said, would decline about the deed of the core. Amania.
Oh, I don't know.
Say, may you Captain Smart. Me per se, me call you Adi. The dean no abo Foreign Affairs Minister Amania. The Foreign Affairs Minister, and Wakasa, no Wakacho said, train na more president Amane. So why you have disrespected the president? Somebody had disrespected the president. It was a gross disrespect to my president, to your president, to our president. Because then who yenti also call Nigeria? Na koye ambassador. It was a disrespect to the president. Even if you don't want to be an ambassador, respectfully go to the president and resign officially. You don't have to wait for the president to sack you. I think Baba Jamal disrespected the president. That's what I think. I still stand to be corrected. I might be wrong. But the reality of the matter is that if indeed he had a discussion with the president, that letter wouldn't have come out. But the son said, one fair media new buo, Amajoma Hama, Yenye Kojina Yem to Abaman. There's a statement coming from the presidency. Why do you allow yourself for this embarrassment? Baba Jamal is not a mere politician. He's been a member of parliament before. And I think that want to turn in near my so you declare the winner was sitting on the Kurana when in Shadanje. Okay? The worst of it all is that maybe we scale who me cha dear dada. Really. And so you are trying to justify say what cha dear. Dada. And to be catch a mission conversation we are saying no pay no. That was NDC for Mama Dream now. And say a nearmano assassin. Said yeah, you're nearmano assassin. It is a would say we are minister, we are deputy minister, or be contested. The way you can to make what 10 near man. Why this is our member was so bad she bruta. Why you waiting area? Saka president in Lima. Penyah was a letter we came about. Because a very reliable information I picked was that the president was seriously furious about this rubbish. President Jabruta. Now watch this. Presidency say or investigate it. The presidency is led by John Dramani Mahama or Ghana Mampany. Presidency party also led by the general secretary of the party and to say we are going to investigate. Party baby Baba Jamal be kwa ka omo ya from majority no. Wo mo so say yeah annual results no. They say majority say yentwam. Yen kwato no fofo. Because they say abai where any party what position to say NDC were power. And until no more president, more chairman, more general secretary. And the man we are talking about, or ambassador, he's called His Excellency. Unpack His Excellency, or honorable. But don't forget, assemblyman, so you're honorable.
To the wife, your mommy, I will comment session. I Penyah Block Media.